Hi everyone, in this video I want to give a quick tutorial about building an ePortfolio using Wix, which is a free online website builder. It does have a bit of a learning curve, but there are lots of options for customization. Today I'm going to show you how to create a site and provide a brief introduction to the Wix Editor, which you'll use to edit your site. So first things first, you'll need to create a Wix account at wix.com. I already have one, so I just signed in. Then you'll move to the prompts to create a new site. This process may look a little bit different for you if you're logging in for the first time, but just follow the prompts to create a site. I'm going to get to this page, which asks me what kind of website I want to create, and I'm going to select Portfolio and CV for our ePortfolio. At this page, Wix is going to give you two options. Use the Wix Editor, this option on the right. The Wix Editor provides templates, but it gives you total control over colors, layout, pages, etc. If you use the Wix ADI to create a website for you, you'll find yourself frustrated and very limited in the changes you can make later on. So I highly recommend choosing a template and using the Wix Editor. Once you select to choose a template, I'm going to browse for a template that I like. You'll see here on this page that there are several different options that already have photos, colors, and copy added, but you can also choose to start from scratch with a blank template, which is what I want to do today. Once I get to a template that I like, I can preview it by clicking View and scroll through to see if I like the structure, the way it's laid out. I do, so I'm going to click Edit this site. As that's building, once the website's built, it's going to automatically take me to the Wix Editor page. What I want us to do today in Wix Editor are three main things. One, I want us to look at managing pages. Two, learn how to add elements. And three, add a blog to our website. So here we are in the Wix Editor. This menu and pages option is where I'm going to control the structure of my website. So here, if I click on it, I'm going to get this menu to pop up. I can add a page here, very simply, and I'm going to call this my major projects. Just like that, I added a page. I also can delete pages that I don't need. Like, I don't really think I need this services page. And then I also can layer pages. So I'm going to rename this gallery. And I'm going to move it. It's now major project 1 and it's going to go underneath my major projects. What I've just done is change the structure of my website, and that's what this page is important for. It's important to have organization and clear structure on your website, and this allows you to do that. Next, I want us to go to the Add button right here. This allows you to do so many things. You will use this all the time. And essentially, the Add button allows you to add text, images, shapes, all of these different things. One of the things I really want to show you is the Strip button. The Strip allows you to use pre-designed blocks of text and color and images, and it can just be a really easy, helpful way to add some really interesting dimension to your website. So this is going to drop in at the bottom of a page, and I can go in and edit the text right on this screen. So it's very simple to go in and edit my text right on the actual website, on the screen itself. Finally, I want to add a blog to our ePortfolio. We are going to be using the blog in this class to keep track of our writer's log, and so it is an important part of your website. So some of the templates already have a blog on the website, and if so, then you can kind of skip this step. But if not, you're just going to go down here to the pen and click Start a Blog, and then you'll say Add Now. It's going to take a few minutes to generate, but it's pretty straightforward. Basically, what you'll be able to do on the blog is add written content and you'll be able to add written content and video content It's very helpful, and it's also a really great way to just kind of keep these posts organized. And the last most important thing is to make sure that before you share your ePortfolio with anyone, including for submissions, and before you submit any of your work on your ePortfolio, you have to publish it. So you have to come up to this page. Please note that you'll be publishing your site before it's fully done, because you're going to share it with me throughout the stages of completing it. So you will publish, and then you're going to get this great link that you can share with me, and that's how you'll submit many assignments for our class. Now, so this is just an introduction to Wix. Like I said, this is the basics. We're exploring and building your website. That's really the best way to learn more features. I've also linked some helpful YouTube videos and some resources from the Wix Help Center in our ePortfolio resources module on Canvas. And of course, I'm always available to meet with you and look at something you're struggling with. Let's get designing.